Welcome to another Blazing Ball video, the Tech Enthusiast channel for investing. In this video, we'll be looking at Tesla, the favourite stock of every 15-year-old who has jacked a mum's credit card to open a Robinhood account and chucked all their money at call options for the past few months of its rally and ultimately getting wiped out from a short-term sell-off. But we aren't concerned with any of that. We're concerned with whether Tesla is still a great stock to buy and hold for the next 10 years or so, and that's what this video is about. One quick thing before we get stuck in, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'm trying to build a community of tech enthusiasts who are keen on investing in their favourite tech firms and want to discuss their ideas with like-minded people. I have a few videos up now, so feel free to check those out too before making your decision. Anyways, with that out of the way, let's get into the action. The so-called business miracle by some whipped investors. Tesla has seen a huge amount of growth over a very short period of time, up fivefold on the year at its peak, before plunging 21% on Tuesday of last week, a record drop in a single day. This rapid growth has made Tesla 4 times more valuable than Fiat Chrysler automobiles, Ford and GM combined, with a market cap of $185 billion, worth more than Toyota, Volkswagen and Honda, making it the world's most valuable motor company. But all this makes one wonder whether its valuation is rational. Does Tesla, who had only started making a profit at the start of the year, deserve to be the world's most valuable motor company? That's what this video tries to answer. First things first, as with all my other videos, let's talk tech, as Tesla at its heart is a technology company. As most people are already aware, Tesla is known for designing and manufacturing electric vehicles. In fact, it could be argued that Tesla is the company that brought EVs into vogue, as not too long ago, most people looked down on electric vehicles as unreliable, slow, and held the impression of people that drove electric vehicles or hybrids were either pretentious eco-warriors or a bit of a pussy. But since then it's become more mainstream to be concerned with your own carbon footprint, as the frequency of natural disasters worldwide has increased, with wildfires in Australia and California making headlines every local summer. People are becoming more willing to drive electric. Tesla's visionary founder and full-time Twitter troll, Elon Musk, saw the need for everyone to move over to electric vehicles as a matter of life and death, as we're killing the planet with our gas-guzzling way of life, and eventually our planet will kill us. I mean, yeah, we all know this unless you're one of those crazy science deniers, but Elon was one of the few people that actually took action towards achieving this goal and has actually seen a large degree of success. His original vision for Tesla was to create a high-end electric vehicle that targeted the rich and famous, as at the time it was very expensive to make a worthwhile electric car that actually got you from A to B without needing a recharge every 500 meters. The logic behind getting rich, environmentally conscious celebrities like Leonardo DiCaprio to buy Teslas was because Tesla wanted them to use their influence to set an example for us regular folk. So once Tesla managed to cheapen their technology and manufacturing process to build cheaper end cars, the regular folk would think that electric vehicles are cool now and start to drive electric, which actually works brilliantly in Tesla's favour. Not only was it a strategy that paid off, but designing and making the cheaper end family cars offered Tesla a higher profit margin than just making expensive high-end electric cars for rich people, as well as a much larger target market in the form of the middle class. The great thing about Elon Musk, in my humble opinion, is that he doesn't entirely care that another electric vehicle company overtakes Tesla to become the largest motor company in the world. The only thing he cares about is that the future of the motor industry is fully electric, and that future is brought as close as possible to the present. But Tesla looks like a very hard company to dethrone from the king of the electric vehicles, although this has not stopped competitors from crawling out of the woodwork, from both small electric vehicle startups like Nikola, Rivian and Faraday Future, as well as big established motor companies working on building up their electric vehicle fleets such as Toyota, Ford and Honda. Thanks to Tesla popularising electric vehicles and the increase of climate catastrophes in recent years, the near future for the electric vehicle market looks bright, not to mention that local governments the world over are implementing policies that mandate carbon neutral vehicles like electric vehicles in certain parts of certain cities, like central London, where the city has set a goal to go carbon neutral by 2050, which obviously works in the favour of companies like Tesla. Although the question if government set goals like this are actually achievable is beyond the scope of this video. So getting back to whether Tesla stock is still a buy, even after its moonshot to a high of around $502 a share post-split and a subsequent correction. Considering the chart, the bulk of the buying that has led to its high price has been small retail investors, not so much large asset managers and index funds, unlike Apple and Amazon. There was the rumour that Tesla was going to be added to the S&P 500 index a few days ago. So there was a lot of investors buying Tesla on the potential news that it was going to be added to the index. Then that would jack up the price as the index funds would buy up Tesla to match the size in the S&P 500. Obviously that didn't end up happening. As a result, the stock has continued to slip. There does not seem to be a strong rationale for why Tesla is as high as it currently is, even when considering the future of electric vehicles. I believe that the 21% drop in a single day and the reversal we have seen over the past week and a half has to be the prelude for a larger sell-off in the pipeline, as Tesla is astronomically high. Although there is still bullish sentiment along the die-hard Tesla fans, pointing out the company's ability to dramatically increase the production of electric vehicles and ploughing their savings into the stock. I just see a bubble on the verge of popping, as Tesla and other large tech stocks seem to be getting higher and higher despite the awful economy hidden beneath and a complete disregard for the company's financials. However, I don't mean to be so doom and gloom, because this doesn't mean that I think Tesla is a bad company or a poor long-term investment. Quite the opposite. I'm a huge Elon fan despite some of his weird episodes, and I do believe that Tesla will continue to be a potent stock to own well into the future. I just don't think now is the appropriate time to get in. I am going to wait for it to get a lot cheaper before taking any meaningful position in the stock. I'll just mop it up when it's on sale. The investors who are extremely bullish on Tesla seem not to be shaken by the large drop in the past couple of weeks. To be honest, on top of everything else, I do think this is a red flag for a bubble. Literally everyone and their dog seems to be long Tesla. This is a worrying sign when you consider every bubble ever, where absolutely everyone is suddenly an expert on a particular financial instrument. The dot-com stocks of 1999, the subprime mortgages of 2008, and Bitcoin in 2017. It's happening again today with tech stocks, and Tesla is the poster boy for this new bubble. I have another video based on a potential upcoming tech stock crash and how you can protect yourself, so definitely check that one out. I'm personally going to be treading carefully around tech stocks for now, but definitely conduct your own analysis too. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment if you liked or didn't like the video. I am keen for feedback. Please check out my other videos too, and hit the bell to be notified when a fresh video goes live. Thanks for watching and have a good one.